Hello everybody, it is Roblox Studio here, and today I will show you how to make an image loading screen. So, what you want to do, get yourself start a GUI, add in a screen GUI, rename that loading GUI, loading, and then GUI should be all in capitals, and then inside of loading GUI add an image label, get rid of these two so then it fits in properly like this. Bam, go back to view, explore and thingy, and then where it says image, you can just search up image in your filter properties. You want to add an image. I got a image from Phantom Forces earlier just to demonstrate, but don't think it's loaded, so I'm just going to use my picture right here. Yes, it is a glorious picture of me standing in front of a very bad TV. Yes. What you want to insert in the image label is a frame, and the size of the frame is going to be let me get size up. There we go. Size, properties, you want to go into size, and then you want to turn the size. With this wheel loading thing it's really bad to like type and stuff, and I think it's by 74. Yep, 74. There we go. Then you want to insert that in the middle of your screen. So again, gotta get rid of these, so then it's properly centered, not just randomly centered. Then get those back up again. I don't know why, but yeah. And then in loading GUI, add a text label, rename that title, and also forgot to rename this, but this is going to be named loading, so rename that loading. Title is going to obviously be the name of your game, so background transparency, get that to that, and then you want to get your text to be scaled, and then maybe like Gotham black. It's up to you what you use. I'm gonna change my color, but I recommend keeping it black, because like just that, unless you're using your background that is black. So I'm just gonna do it this color just to demonstrate, but let me just get this right. Rename the label to your game name, which mine will just be tutorial. If I spelled this wrong, I don't really care. Okay, so right now this is what it should look like. Right there. Bam. So that's that. Then what you want to do, put these back on. And in loading, you want to get a frame and rename that tick loading. Tick loading. There we go. And then go on to size. It's hard for me because of this stupid scroll reel thing. 6 by 74, like that. Bam, bada bing, bada boom. And then you want to change this color to, I recommend green, because that looks nice for like a loading screen. And then what you want to do is actually turn the border size pixel of your loading to 6, so it doesn't look weird. And then inside a tick loading, you have to insert a local script, and when you go into the link in the description, there will be the code, or not the code, I mean the script. I've just got it already in, so this is the script. If you want, you could copy it if you pause, but I recommend going into links in the description, or just in the description this will be here. Just gotta copy and paste it like that, bam, put it in your script. But now if I get rid of these and center everything, okay, that's already censored actually. No, not censored, centered. Censored. Actually, I'm gonna add an extra thing that I actually didn't want to add, but I'm going to do it anyway. Right there. Make that. If this is obviously if you want to do it, but change it to Gotham Black or whatever you're using for that, so then they don't look out of hand. And then loading, and then ... like that. And then text scaled. Make the background transparency like that. And then do it like you need to. There we go. Get rid of these two. Move this again because stuff move quite a lot in this. Well, normally text, but that's it. There we go. And now, now what you gotta do, back into Properties Explorer, and ow, sorry, did something to my lip. You gotta turn that off like that. And when you get rid of these two, you will see nothing because you've disabled it, but that you don't enable it. It has to be disabled. And now if you test it, this is what you should see. First you load into the game, and here you go. You have a beautiful loading screen. It like cuts out, you know what I mean, and then the loading screen comes back on if you die. So just like this. Let's say I died. And then, see? Got your loading screen again. I don't have like anything else yet, but if you guys want, go into the comments, suggest me any other scripts and tutorials you want me to do. For now on, I'll be posting every day until self-isolation is done, and I'll post every 2 days, but for now, peace out everybody.